Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation, with an up-close and personal unboxing of a collector coin with a high premium. Ooh, let's explore! Doesn't get any more up close and personal than this. Now, this is a coin that I bought on eBay from Modern Coin Mart. And I want to say a little note here because, there are times where I will review coins, and usually they're higher premium collector coins, but they can be lower premium silver bullion coins too. And I'll review them for bullion dealers. And when I do that, I always tell people, this is a high premium coin. It's not a stacker coin, and I always let people know that this is a coin that I'm reviewing from a bullion dealer, so they know that this is what it is. And I always try to keep my opinions about the piece moderated to just the aesthetics of the look of the coin, and also may say something. Usually there's something that I can say that is on the negative side of the coin too, and because I like to give my own thoughts on it, and I've never been pressured to ever present a coin that is any false or misleading information. It's purely just a review. But this is a case where, in this particular case, where I bought a coin, it may be more dangerous to watch this video, but I believe my viewers are very well informed and can think for themselves. But if you buy a coin because you really like it and like the looks of it, you're more than likely to praise the coin. But whenever and try to quote sell it, even though that may not be your intention. But I'll make a note that most of the coins that I do review from bullion dealers I actually do like, for the most part anyway. In fact, there has been some occasions where I've turned down offers because I don't know if I can really do the coin justice because I'm not a big fan and I don't want to be dishonest with myself or my viewers. So with that being said, let's get into this and see exactly what this particular coin is as we unbox it in a very personal and up-close nature here. I think this will be easier than most. I like that it comes in this nice square box with packing tape on it here. I can just open it up and take the thing out here. Let's see what we have inside. All right. Very well packed. And we have it in another protective packaging here, which is nice. Very good. Very nice. All right. Okay. It is from the Perth Mint, and if it's going to come from the Perth Mint, it's going to be high quality. Yes, indeed. That's what we like from the Perth Mint, indeed. It is the Wedge-Tailed Eagle High Relief coin. This is the first Wedge-Tailed Eagle that I have been really excited about since the inception of the program in 2014. And this is what appears to be the Wedge-Tailed Eagle coming in for a landing, and I believe this was engraved by John Mercanti, who formerly worked at the United States Mint, is retired from there. And here we go. Let's take a look at this thing. I love the packaging from the Perth Mint, and I've got a smell. Smells good. All right, very good. All right, nice. Let's take a look at this high relief. Before we look at the coin itself, let's take a look at the certificate of authenticity. We've got the Wedge-Tailed Eagle 1 ounce silver high relief coin certificate of authenticity. And this is number 2208. And it was indeed engraved and designed by the sculptor and engraver John M. Mercanti, the 12th chief engraver of the United States Mint. He produced more coin and metal designs than any other employee in the organization's history, which is interesting. I didn't realize that. Very cool indeed. So there we go. There's the specifications of the coin on the back. 1 troy ounce, 4 nines, pure silver. It is a 31.107 grams. Interesting. Okay. And it's 32 millimeters in diameter and 6 millimeters thick. encapsulate that, or to cover the concave nature of the high relief, and a maximum mintage of 5,000 pieces. Very good. All right, nice. And see, I don't have to tell you in this video, but I will anyway. But just because it's a limited mintage of 5,000 doesn't mean it's going to retain its value. You know, this is a collector coin. I mean, I paid $82 with tax, but there it is. Very nice. Actually, you know what? I'm actually kind of surprised it's not more a deeper high relief than this. Honestly, I was expecting a deeper relief. I'm a little disappointed on that. This is something I would have not known until I actually bought the coin. Very highly detailed, though. It is a very nice coin. And I love the design. And I love the multiple levels of frosting on it as well. 4/9's fine. Australian wedge-tailed eagle. But relatively low relief. And I kind of was hoping that the eagle itself, other than the beak, I believe the beak and the talons should have been less frosted, and the feathers and the rest of the eagle be more frosted. That's just me. That would be another change I would have. I would have made a deeper relief, and I would have made the beak and the talons reverse the frosting levels on those and make those a little finer frosting and have the eagle more frosted. But regardless, it's still a very well-done coin. As far as the quality itself is immaculate. And see, there's the queen. And I think if you're going to do multiple levels of frosting on one side, do it on the other side. Make the pearls around the queen's neck a different level of frosting, more of a satiny finish, and make the crown different. Make that more satiny finish, and make her skin, a different frosting level too. They should have done that on this side too. But regardless, it is what it is, and it looks nice otherwise. And as you can see with the Perth Mint, it's a absolutely exceptional and consistent quality, and which I absolutely have come to have great faith in the Perth Mint for this type of thing. But there you have it. It is the Elizabeth II 2021 dollar and the Wedge-Tailed Eagle. In fact, I would say that if you're going to make the queen side just one level of frosting through and through, well, you know what? There is slightly different level, I guess, for the face, but it's only slight. But I do see it now when I turn it in the light there. I do see that. This side, though, I think there's not quite enough frosting on the rest of the body of the eagle here, and a great level on the talons and beak. There it is. Very nice. Let's get a closer look. The Wedge-Tailed Eagle. And I do wish it was higher relief. Same thing for the queen side. Could have been a bit higher. So what are your thoughts about this coin? Let me know in the comment section below. I think it's pretty cool, except for what I just mentioned here. And don't go buying one of these just because I unbox it. Get it because you enjoy it. And like it, you know what I mean? That's a thing. Whenever we show coins on YouTube, we're showing it just because we like the coin. We have a love. It's the love and enjoyment of collecting. Never be ashamed to buy a coin that you like. That's the sage advice I can give you. Never be ashamed to buy it, no matter what premium, as long as you understand the premiums you may pay for it. This one is many times over spot, especially in this day and age. But you know what? It was worth every penny because of the craftsmanship involved and the enjoyment factor. You know, I don't buy these coins to resell and make a profit on. I'd lose my shirt on this thing if I tried to sell it tomorrow. I've lost my shirt on many coins, but I don't know I've lost my shirt on many coins. Why? Because I've never taken my shirt off, which means I've never sold the coins. I don't buy to sell. There's some people that do that, and they can time the markets and be able to do very well in the secondary market. That's not me. There's plenty of channels out there who I've been very admire that they've been able to do that. They've been able to take advantage of these higher premium coins and turn a profit on them. And then they can essentially, they may buy 3 or 4 of these and sell them for a profit, and then at the right time, that is, and then they'd be able to have the other one free, which is cool. I never advise my viewers to do it because I don't know. I'm not as have the pulse on the market to be able to do that. But nonetheless, you buy it because you enjoy it. Never be ashamed of that. And always enjoy what you do and what you collect. And the precious metal content, the value of that is just an added bonus. So I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.